You are bleeding, not blood, but energy. Every time someone insults you, you react. Every time someone ignores your text, you panic. Every time the world doesn't give you what you want, you crumble. You think you are free? Look closer. You are a puppet. The strings are tied to your ego, and the ends of those strings are held by everyone else. Your boss, your partner, your enemies, even strangers on the internet. They pull a string and you dance. They frown and you become sad. They smile and you feel worthy. This is slavery, pure and simple. The ancient Stoics had a word for the state of true freedom: apatheia. Today, we mistranslate this as apathy or not caring. But the Stoics didn't mean being a zombie. They meant being unshakable. They meant possessing a mind so fortified that external chaos could not disturb internal peace. Imagine walking through a storm without getting wet. Imagine being insulted to your face and feeling absolutely nothing but pity for the person shouting. That is power. That is dangerous. In this video, we are going to teach you the Stoic art of indifference. We will cut the strings that bind you to the opinions of others and the whims of fortune. We are going to reclaim your sovereignty. The world is loud. You are about to become the silence that drowns it out. Let's start with the poison that infects most modern men: the need to be liked. You are terrified of disapproval, a sarcastic comment from a coworker, or a rejection from a romantic interest keeps you awake at night. You replay the scene in your head, thinking of what you should have said. You are drinking poison and hoping the other person dies. The Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius faced betrayals that would break an ordinary man. His general Cassius tried to steal his throne. His wife was rumored to be unfaithful. Did he rage? Did he scream? No. He wrote, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." When someone insults you, they are revealing their character, not yours. If a dog barks at the moon, is the moon offended? If a child screams at a mountain, does the mountain tremble? Be the mountain. When you react to disrespect, you are admitting that the other person has power over you. You are lowering yourself to their level to fight in the mud. Silence is the ultimate sign of dominance. When they expect you to get angry and you give them nothing but a blank stare, you destroy them. You deny them the reaction they crave. You make them invisible. There is a hard truth you must accept. People will leave. Friends will outgrow you. Lovers will stop loving you. Mentors will die. The modern mind clings. We beg, we chase, we negotiate. We try to force people to stay in our lives because we are afraid of the void they leave behind. This attachment is weakness. Epictetus taught us to see everything as borrowed. He said, "Never say of anything, 'I have lost it,' but 'I have returned it.'" Has your child died? It is returned. Has your wife died? She is returned. Has your estate been taken away? That too is returned. This sounds cold to the weak heart, but to the warrior, it is liberating. View your life like a banquet. Guests will come. They will eat. They will laugh. And they will leave. You do not lock the doors and force them to stay. You enjoy their presence while they are there, and you let them go with grace when they depart. Hold the door open. If they want to stay, good. If they want to leave, good. Your happiness does not walk out the door with them. Your worth is not in their pocket. You are the host of your own life, not a servant begging for guests. Why are you so obsessed with what they think? Who are they? Look at the average person. Look at their lives. They are confused, anxious, debt-ridden, and guided by impulses. Why do you value the judgment of people you wouldn't ask for advice? You post a photo and wait for the likes. You change your clothes to fit in. You suppress your true thoughts to avoid offending the mob. You are building a prison and handing the key to your wardens. Seneca asked a profound question. Are you surprised that the world is like this? Stop being surprised that people are judgmental. Stop being surprised that they are petty. It is their nature. To care about the opinion of the mob is to insult yourself. A lion does not lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. If you are doing what is right, if you are living by your own code, let them talk. Let them misunderstand you. In fact, if the average person understands everything you do, you are probably doing something wrong. Greatness is rarely understood in its own time. Become a ghost to their praise and a ghost to their criticism. Neither can touch you. Life will punch you in the face. This is not a possibility. It is a guarantee. You will lose money. You will get sick. Accidents will happen. The weak man labels these events as bad. He says, "This is a disaster." The Stoic removes the label. Shakespeare wrote, "There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so." This is pure Stoicism. The event itself is neutral. The car crash is just metal hitting metal. The firing is just a change in employment status. The tragedy is added by your mind. When disaster strikes, practice the pause. Do not say, "This is terrible." Say, "This happened. Now, what is the next move?" Strip away the emotional story. Look at the raw facts. I lost my job. Fact. I am a failure and will be homeless. Story. Kill the story. Keep the fact. When you neutralize the narrative, you kill the anxiety. You become a cold, calculating machine of solutions. While others are crying over spilt milk, you're already milking the next cow. Indifference to misfortune is the ultimate shield. When your problems feel overwhelming, when your heart is racing because of some deadline or drama, you need to change your perspective. The Stoics practiced the view from above. Close your eyes, zoom out, see yourself in your room. Now see your city. Now see the country. Now see the earth, hanging in the infinite black void of space. From this distance, your huge problem is invisible. Your embarrassment is invisible. Your enemy is invisible. We are all just ants fighting over a crumb on a tiny rock spinning around a burning star. Does this make you feel small? Good, it should, but it also makes your problem small. If you are nothing, you are free. Why stress about a presentation when entire civilizations have risen and fallen and been forgotten? Why worry about a rejection when the sun will explode one day and erase all history? Use your insignificance as a weapon against your anxiety. Nothing matters as much as you think it does. Relax into the void. Imagine your mind is a kingdom. You are the king or the queen. Now, imagine leaving the gates of your castle open. Any beggar, any thief, any enemy can walk in, sit on your throne, and give orders. This is how you live. A rude driver cuts you off. He walks into your castle and sits on your throne. Now you are angry. He controls you. A negative news headline pops up. It walks into your castle. Now you are fearful. It controls you. You have abdicated your throne. You have let the peasants run the kingdom. Stoicism is the act of putting guards at the gate. Nothing enters without your permission. Is this useful? No? Get out. Is this within my control? No? Get out. You must be ruthless with your mental space. Your peace is the treasury of your kingdom. Do not let thieves steal it for the cheap price of a moment's provocation. Reclaim your throne. If you are angry, let it be because you decided that anger is the correct tool for the moment, not because you were triggered like a trap. Act. Do not react. Indifference is not about having a cold heart. It is about having a protected heart. It is about saving your energy for the things that actually matter. Your purpose, your mission, your principles. When you stop caring about the noise, you can finally hear the signal. When you stop trying to impress them, you can finally build yourself. This week, I challenge you. Practice the art of not caring. When someone disrespects you, say nothing. Look through them. When things go wrong, shrug your shoulders and adapt. When you feel the urge to explain yourself, swallow it. Watch how your power grows. Watch how people start looking at you differently. They will wonder why they cannot touch you. They will wonder why you are so solid. Let them wonder. You have work to do. You are not a puppet anymore. You are the master of the strings. Stay strong.